Hi friends, welcome to Smiles 31. I am Sai Lakshmi, hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'm going to explain about bullet graphs in Tableau. Let's get started. Bullet graph is a variation of a bar graph developed to replace dashboard gauges and meters. It is useful for comparing the performance of a primary measure to one or more other measures. For example, if you want to compare against sales and actual sales, in such scenario you can prefer using bullet graphs in Tableau. Let me show you how to create a bullet graph. Let me open Tableau public application. I'm clicking on the show me palette. First I'm going to show the template of bullet graph. This is the template of bullet graph. As soon as I hover on it, you can see some suggestions over here which is given by Tableau. For bullet graphs, try 0 or more dimensions, 2 measures. And that means we need to have 2 measures in place and we don't need a dimension at all. It is our choice. If needed, you can use dimension as well. I am deselecting the show me palette. I have taken sample superstore data and I am selecting some random measures over here, sales and profit. So you can select any measures whichever is required for your requirement. Now I am selecting sales and profit. I'm clicking on show me palette again and selecting the bullet graph template and bringing a dimension to create a visually good bullet chart. And a bullet chart is ready now. It is giving more details, like we are comparing two measures against a dimension. That means a sales and profit measures are being compared by region. This is how a bullet chart can be created. You can compare profit and sales at the same time. You can get the average sales and average sales by region and the profit of each and every region and the sales of it. You can compare both measures easily. You can select like sales and actual sales, growth and actual growth percentage. So this kind of scenarios you can prefer using bullet chart. Thank you guys. Thanks for landing at my channel Smiles 31. If you like my video or like my content, please like, share and let me know in the comments what could have been better. And if you have any questions for me, do let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Have a nice day. Bye bye.